Hey y'all! Welcome to another Disney Resort room tour. Today we're at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. We got a room in the Mighty Ducks section, building number 2, and we are in room number 2923. So come on in and let's check it out. This is a standard room, not preferred, so it is a little bit of a walk away from the main building, cinema hall. We'll start here. We have our standard mini fridge, coffee maker, and complimentary Joffrey's Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary blend. More inside, some green tea, a few creamers. This is hilarious, that's cute, but thanks. Some Earl Grey tea, cups and lids, water cups, and a water bucket. Plugs over here, and more light. Murphy bed right here. So there's only 2 of us, so we don't need the extra bed unless Brandon gets kicked out of our bed. Also your enhanced cleaning notification. So all you have to do is move the chairs out of the way. I just noticed the upholstery on the chairs. We are at movies, but this seems to represent all of the All-Star Resorts, movies, music, and sports. All right, Murphy bed. So if you have more than 2 people or 2 people that don't want to sleep in the same bed, easy peasy lemon squeezy extra bed. Same size, both are queen size beds. Same mattress on both beds, and it's very easy to fold down and push right back up. And if you notice, the light, as you move it, automatically comes on and turns off. But if you don't need the bed, or during the day if you're in here and you don't need the bed and you need more of a desk space, here it is. Dresser, I'm guessing the safe is in here, and it is. Safe, Bible, extra pillows are in here, but if you don't need the extra pillows, you could use it as more storage space if you needed more storage space. And if you're an unpacker like we are, plenty of drawer space as well. 3 large drawers. Decent sized TV with a welcoming to your family as you come into your room. I don't know how new this is to value resorts. In the past, we haven't had the welcoming on the screen, only at deluxe and moderate resorts. So that's a nice little touch. That's the little things, Disney. Plenty of plugs and USBs around the room. Plugs here. There was plugs on the coffee shelf. There's also a total of 3 nightstands, 1 on either side of the Murphy bed and 1 on the other side. And there are plugs and USBs on all of those. Also, under the bed is an open space for suitcases or whatever you need to put under there, but just make sure you check it before you check out. That's where socks go missing. Coat hanger, come in handy today. Lots of rain jackets going to be hanging up. Also extra space to hang jackets, clothes if you want to hang your clothes up. More storage space at the top. Has an ironing board, iron hair dryer, extra toilet paper and tissues. Plenty of storage space to put toiletries, whatever you need. Complimentary facial soap from our current H2O products. Magnification mirror for all of your makeup and facial checking needs. Stepping in, toilet and shower tub area, shower and tub combo, and the standard H2O in-shower conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Plenty of towels, towel racks, places to hang towels and PJs. Sliding door. Oh, and there's a full-size mirror on this side. Check yourself before you go to the parks. PSA from Doofs and Disney. So the toilet shower area you can close off from the sink area, which you can close off from the rest of the room. So somebody can be showering, somebody can be brushing their teeth and dressing while the late sleepers are still sleeping. This is a value resort, so you will notice on the ceiling there is absolutely no ceiling fan. So ceiling fan lovers, we just got to make do what we got or what we don't got. So this wraps up our tour of our standard room here at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort, Mighty Ducks section. Let us know if you've ever stayed at any of the All-Star Resorts. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, until next time, no cakes.
No cakes!